Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to insert new row after each row in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. Google Sheets have a function to manually add a row. Select the desired row above or below which we want to see an empty row. Just click on its number, right click and open the Properties menu. Choose Insert one row above or Insert one row below. For small range, such manual labor is acceptable, but if you have hundreds of rows, then in this way you will add rows all day. Let's use another way, namely using an additional column. For me, this will be the H column. We enter a number sequence into the column. In my case, the sequence will be from 1 to 20, according to the number of rows in the range. You may have more. Then we go to the very bottom where the sequence ends, that is, in the cell H21, and add the same sequence below. You can do it manually, that's how I do it, or you can use the sequence function. The first argument, number 20, is the number of rows. The second is the number of columns. The third argument is which number to start the sequence with. And the fourth is what step to do it with. The sequence has been added. Press Ctrl+A and select the entire range. Then go to the Data tab, Sort Range, and select Advanced Range Sorting options. In the window that opens, we specify which column we will sort the data by. This is column H, and leave the sorting principle from A to Z and click Sort. That's how we added an empty row after each row, and the additional column is no longer needed, it can be deleted. Now you know a little more, thanks for watching.